Like you said, this is what I was talking about. Like the road's like right there.
Boys, it's a hefty storm outside. Wow. It's
Huge
snowing.
Storm. Huge storm.
Look, man, it's snowing. Yeah. Aaron, what do you think about no school because of a little snow?
At least you have no practice.
You went to practice?
Yes.
Well, guess what? Our practice got canceled.
Well, not mine didn't.
Let's go outside with bare feet. No! Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, I regret that every bit. Okay, let's actually like get the GoPros out and do like a snowball fight.
This snow's not thick enough nor wet enough.
It's good enough for me.
It's all fluff. You'll toss it and it'll destroy midair.
We should definitely get the puppies out.
Alright, so I was driving to the court today, which I basically won. Good for me. Driving to court today, just on my merry way, going about 15 miles an hour behind 6 cars that are also going 15 miles an hour because they're all scared to drive. I'm like, alright, like whatever, I get it. Everyone's scared of the snow. Next thing I know, we're going up a hill. One car, 360s ditch. Still in the ditch now when I passed. Going up the hill right over here on Vint Hill. Goes in the ditch. I'm like, wow, that was wild. Next thing I know, car goes off the far side of the road in the ditch. I'm like, wow, this is crazy. Next thing I know, another car in the ditch. I'm like, what's going on? Car just drives in the middle of the road after fishtailing, stops, parks, hazards on. Middle of the road, on a hill. Like, what is going on? Just drove past them all. Like, I don't have time for this. You kidding me? So I drove past them all, got to court, did my case, had a lot of greasy people there. Fired up. The guy I was sitting next to obviously didn't shower. Just an eventful day, and it's only 10:49. That's insane. Actually insane.
I think we can make our day a little bit more eventful because it's snowing outside.
It is snowing outside. Dude, we can go rip some shitties in my Jeep. Yeah, it's heavy snow. It's good packing snow though. We can make a snowman.
Oh, we can make
I
a
also
snowman.
can't throw with my shoulder.
Oh yeah, let's make a snowman.
You can make a snowman. I don't know if we have snow. It's wet, heavy snow.
I would definitely want to go drifting. That sounds.
Like that.
We can set the GoPros up on the Jeep, like around and stuff.
Yeah.
Buddy, we can make this like a professional video.
Yeah, I'm a pretty sick driver too. So.
You ready to go outside?
Mhm.
Aaron.
Wait, I thought we were taking him for a walk.
You guys ready to go for a walk? I am decked out. It's snowing outside, I'm cold. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna wear these, obviously. But we're gonna take the puppers out for a walk. Yo, Mitzi is pumped for the snow right now. Look at her. She just keeps licking it. It's so cute.
That's over the edge, and then we gotta start a fire, dude.
Dude, easy money.
Dude, you got this.
Dude, that's a lot of water.
Just start drinking.
No, but I feel like
It's gonna spill.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna spill.
well then that spill a little bit out. Maybe a little bit more than that.
Oh.
She said not to dump all of it out. Just a little bit. We have to like dump it far away. Or like just over the edge.
Well, can we just lift it out of the...
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have to lift the whole thing. That's huge.
Ooh.
Don't drop it.
You almost absolutely sued me and I sued you.
What is all that stuff in there?
It looks like a... Well, there's a bit left.
All right, watch us create a fire here. It's gonna be awesome. Kieran, I just started it.
Oh, you got it going already? Oh, not really. I just see smoke. I've never heard of these Bome fire starting methods.
Why didn't you just buy fire starters?
No, we have a fire stick inside, but we're using
Oh.
it inside. But like, no, but like, I've never heard of him like I don't know why he needs
Toilet paper?
dryer
Like,
lint, a toilet paper roll.
like we literally have paper right here. This is fun.
Starting fires.
Yeah. Buddy, you settle down. Right here.
Dude, I've never.
What
I've never heard
Dryer
of
lint
this.
inside of it will light right up.
So just light that right here.
Hang on.
You want some more paper?
Oh wow.
Yeah, she lights right up. It'll light up.
We were actually being skeptical about this,
Yeah,
but
No, I know, but like I just.
we can do another one if you want.
dude, look at that. That's pretty badass.
Dryer lint burns really well.
What? Wait, what's that?
Dryer lint and with the toilet paper.
What's a dryer lint?
Like you know the things, like the sheets that you throw in.
Oh, okay.
Those, like, like I said, he's gonna come.
Huge. Yeah, it should start right up. Little tip for you is take your dryer lint, put it inside an empty toilet paper tube, and you got a fire starter. We got 2 more on deck over there.
The more
next
you
time
know.
need a fire.
The
I'm
more you
available
know.
for hire. I do parties. I do not do windows.
She's going, eh? Oh yeah. Wow. Bome found his natural habitat.
What?
Nerf wars.
Yeah.
Guns.
This is kind of sweet. Shoots the farthest.
Dude, I got 2.
That's huge, actually. Kind of trouble on the ranch right now.
So I found this gun, and I thought it was pretty cool. I'm guessing it's like a sniper rifle or something.
Oh, I stepped on something that was less sticky.
Oh god, no, these are really. Yeah, look at this thing, dude. These are really... these are so powerful. Oh yeah, get him, dude.
Trouble on the ranch. We do not have good ammo right now.
Where'd that second one go?
Wish I could tell you, but I don't want to.
I'm tier 1 on the rocket path.
Broken, that one's close. Ow. I have no idea where that got.
Dude, there's so much stuff to step on here.
Oh, I know, dude. It's an absolute mess.
You got trouble on the ranch at all times.
I'm gonna play some chow.
What is going on over here?
Mommy brought me cookies.
Hold on!
You only just knew that?
Possible credit in court. Not a big deal. Hey, you say this new boot.
Hey, I need a lot. I lost my shoe.
Hey, shut up.
What, crunchy? Because it's cold out?
That's right.
No, yeah, my tire is dead.
Hey, that's a cool bike. Can you do some tail whips?
No.
Can you do any tricks? Can you jump?
Nice bike, son. Is
Blake,
that a Huffy?
do a jump on your scooter for me.
guys right?
I gotta go find my shoe. It's in your pocket.
Wow.
It's in your pocket.
See how cool that was, Blake? Is that cool? Yeah, me. I didn't think so either. Yeah, let's see it.
In your note. Oh.
He got like 3 feet of air that time.
Gnarly.
Shredding the
gnar over here. That's about it.
What'd you think? No, me either.
Dude, you got like 3 feet of air that time.
Great movie.
You got shocks.
Oh, lucky.
Lucky.
Found my shoe.
I don't have any sweet skills, you know, like nunchuck skills, computer hacking skills.
You can hack? Ew!
What is going on over here?
Blake, what'd you think of that?
I haven't been on a bike in a while.
Why?
Legs, you want another one of these cookies, dude?
I'll take one. Oh no.
Here, I'm gonna try to jump this one.
That's not a break. You gotta do it.
Give me the bag. Excuse me.
He goes, no, hold on.
I haven't had a cookie yet
I don't
though.
have a front brake. How am I supposed to do a 6-stop?
Homemade by Bowman.
Give us a little review of that cookie, buddy.
Slightly overcooked. No, it's cold.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
You have to take the kiss off.
Ow!
That kiss is for me. Oh.
You gotta fill the game in knee hockey. I'll do it. I'm not. Ow!
That's perfection on a cookie.
That looks a little brown.
That's golden brown.
2.5 minutes.
Yeah, right.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello.
You want to give a shout out?
Yeah, maybe fresh out of the oven. Hey, shut up.
Plug your
Personal
Instagram.
preference, what's this cookie? 6.2.
Ooh, wow.
Guess
He
who's not
slaved.
getting cookies made today.
He slaved over that cookie yesterday.
Also, I took him from my middle house for you. He gave me a 6.2.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Ray Barbecue. Ray Barbecue. Highlight of the night was Ray Barbecue.
Dude, how about Nikki putting goalie bonded with that?
Wow, Bowman, I can't even see you right now.
That's it, stuff, yeah.
Hey, you so funny, man. New boot goofing. Got him on layaway.
What time is it? Like 11?
Alright, bye, Kieran.
Sexual.
Thanks for having me.
What?
I'm taking a Gatorade on the way out.
So, it's fine. Can I have like
Okay, I'm
all the
going.
guns?
Aubrey said, good, no worries, get home safe, tell him hi. With a bunch of eyes.
You got my address.
Just send her a video.
Sitting on my face. Too picky.
That was pretty cold. It's freezing.
See you.
Yeah, see you, Kieran.
Alright, thanks for having us, Kieran.
Yeah. You better hurry up.
Oh.
You want me to just close it?
Were you pissing on Scar?
No, I was gonna pee near it.
That's fought people for less. I don't
Get a
mean
real
that.
Jeep bag.
Yeah, I need a real Jeep. Why don't you go? Here, buddy. I'll walk over with you. It's fucking cold.
Dude, it's not warm. That's for sure.
Should I get my phone turned on? That's really sending a search party because I haven't picked up one yet.
Pretty nice out, eh? Got a lever out.
Tell you what, the ground's a little cold.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear that.
See, boys, it's chilly. You want to get the heat going?
See ya.
See you, buddy. You know it's weird that doesn't have heat. Get a real Jeep. You want to get some heat?
Hey, drive safe.
Yeah, you too, buddy. See you tomorrow. That's my assistant captain. Great dude. We're kind of fighting right now, but it's okay.
Dude, I'm cold.
Here, we can do one of these.
Did my phone just die?